Thank you for the opportunity to testify regarding EPA's consideration of California's request for a Clean Air Act waiver to implement its Advanced Clean Cars 2 regulations. My name is Mike Spagnola, and I am the President and CEO of the Specialty Equipment Market Association. SEMA represents over 7,000 U.S. businesses that manufacture and sell parts and accessories that improve the performance, function, and style of motor vehicles. While 95% of our member companies are small businesses, our industry's impact is massive, employing over 1.3 million Americans and contributing $337 billion annually to the U.S. economy. During the 40 years that I've worked in the specialty automotive aftermarket, I've been amazed at the industry's creativity and the innovative products that come from it. While the automobile's roots are tied to the internal combustion engine, SEMA prides itself on maintaining a forward-looking vision that embraces new technology, including EVs and other zero-emissions vehicles. The specialty automotive aftermarket has led the way with alternative fuel innovations, replacing older vehicle technologies with newer, cleaner versions, to converting older ICE vehicles to electric, hydrogen, and other alternative fuels. I'm testifying today because our industry needs the government to embrace forward-looking policies that use innovation rather than draconian mandates to reduce vehicle emissions. We need technology-neutral solutions that factor in the infrastructure that exists, the consumer preferences, and the life cycle emissions, that the total carbon footprint of vehicles rather than just what comes out the tailpipe. Accordingly, SEMA opposes California's Advanced Clean Cars 2 regulations that require all new vehicles sold in California to be zero emissions by 2035. Make no mistake, this regulation leaves automakers with no choice but to produce electric vehicles that meet the rapidly increasing annual ZEV sales requirements. This too far fast mandate will create a seismic shift in the automotive industry that will hurt small businesses that don't have the capacity to make the shift quickly. While the federal government is helping some parts of the automotive industry, small businesses aren't receiving the billions of dollars in government funds to fund their electric vehicle programs. To put it in perspective, the economic toll of this regulation on small business will consider that 33% of consumer spending on performance and accessories produces that go forward upgrading ICE engines and drivetrains. That's $112 billion of economic impact that will be adversely impacted if this regulation takes effect. The decision before the EPA will have a real impact on consumer choice and the American people's ability to produce affordable vehicles of their choice for decades to come. EPA must get it right for the environment, the economy, and the American people. Thank you.